Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hey, it's now officially 2018 and I'm so excited to share with you guys my pasabog na ganap sa aking channel. Maraming pagbabago soon, pero unti-untiin natin yan. This year is sana maging bongga ang ating buhay, ang ating love life. Syempre, sana maging maganda ang pasok ng 2018 sa atin ngayon. So that's why today I'm going to do my first ever 2018 makeup look for this channel, or to this channel rather. And yes, and I'm so excited na mag-feature talk sa inyo ng mga new products soon dito sa aking channel. And syempre, huwag niyong kakalimutan lagi mag-subscribe sa akin at i-click yung bell button sa gilid ng subscription para every time na mag-upload ako is ma-notified kayo. Okay, so let's get started with the tutorial. So enough blabbering, let's get started. Okay, so first I'm gonna primer my face. Again, perfect siya for my face or primer today. So I really love my skin right now. It's smooth because I'm using a new product and i-share ko sa inyo soon. This is going to be my skincare routine video, pero hindi pa ako nakakagawa. Pero guys, stay tuned for that, okay? For the primer, I'm using this Michelin Blurring Primer Pore Cover. Ayan. So magko-cover muna ako ng mga pores na ang kakapal ng pes. 2018 na, girl. Diyos ko, umalis na kayo sa mukha ko. Pwede pa. So ayan. Ikakalat nyo lang siya sa inyong mga feeling nyo na malalaki yung pores nyo. So, kasi masyado malaki yung pores ko dito sa nose area. Dito, yung pinagtatanggalan ko ng buhok lagi. Kasi ayoko nang meron akong mga buhok-buhok dito sa kilay. So, ayan. Time for the foundation. I'm going to use this NYX HD Studio Photogenic Foundation in the shade Natural. So, ilalagay ko lang siya sa aking face. How's your new year? Kasi ako super enjoy, as in lahat kami ng family magkakasama. Naging bangag na lang after. Syempre kasi nomo-nomo, ganun. Then, I'm using my clean. Ayan guys, so 2018 na. So, dapat clean na yung inyong mga gamit. Naghugas na po ako ng blender. And, ayun. Nomo-nomo, party-party, lapang-lapang. Tapos, nakinood ng fireworks sa kapitbahay. For the concealer, itong concealer na to, actually this is a Mary Kay concealer, pero nabutas yung kanyang lagayan, kaya nilipat ko siya sa ganitong pot, which is right here. So liquidy siya guys, kaya dahan-dahan lang yung pag-apply nyo. And this one is full coverage. So ilalagay ko lang siya sa aking under eye area, like that. Under eye area using your favorite loose powder. So ayan, I'm using my Airspun loose powder, and ilalagay ko na siya sa aking under eye area. Set ko yung aking buong face using this Detail Mineral Pressed Powder in the shade Natural. So, ayan. Kukuha lang ako ng full coat ko siya dito sa aking brush. Then, ilalagay ko lang siya sa ibang part na hindi ko na-bake. Idadust ko lang lahat ng excess powder using my kabuki brush. ako ulit ng loose powder sa aking underneath ng eyes kasi gagamit tayo ng dark shadows today. Kaya tayo maglalagay ng ganyan para yung mga fallout. Madali nyo lang siyang ma-dust. So for our brows naman, I'm using a new product. Actually, nagamit ko na to nung last na video ko. This is from GP Color Cosmetics. Ito yung kanilang brow product. Then, magbabrowse muna ako off camera. Then, I will be right back to you guys. It's time for the eye primer. I'm using this No Cosmetics Concealing Softly Concealer. So, maglalagay na ako ng konting concealer sa aking eyes para mag-prime. Start natin ngayong araw na ito na eyeshadow palette. This one is from Morphe brushes. This is the Jacqueline palette. So, ito yung kanyang itsura. Ayan. So, kung wala kayong ganito guys, and if you want to achieve this look, or if you want to recreate this look, meron naman mga shades na local brand na pwede nyong gamitin to achieve this look. So, don't worry mga loves. So, for our first eyeshadow color na kukunin ko is this one. Ilalagay nyo lang siya sa inyong all over the eyelids para easy nyo ma-blend yung mga susunod na kulay nyo gagamitin. So, next eyeshadow is this yellow color right here. Gagawin nyo siya as your transition color. Makikita nyo hanggang brow bone, naglagay ako ng eyeshadow. Okay. Next, you're going to take a black eyeshadow right here. Then, maglalagay lang tayo ng black eyeshadow sa ating outer and inner corner ng eyes. After that, i-blend na natin siya using the same brush. I-blend nyo lang yung mga harsh lines using your cream brush. After nga, i-dust off na natin yung ating binibake. So, dyan na tayong susunod magme-makeup. I know my eye makeup look is so ratchy right now, or steaminess, pero mamaya, lilinis yan. Yellow eyeshadow or yung mustard eyeshadow again. Now, black eyeshadow naman. I'm using this Everbilena black eyeliner. It's time for my center of my eyes. I'm using this JCat Flash Metal Metallic Lip Waterproof. This is in the shade FM102. So this is the... I don't know kung yun talaga yung exact shades niya, but this is what it looks like. So, ayan. Then, kukuha ako ng small brush. Yun lang, ganyan. Tapos, maglalagay na ako ng kung saan ko siya pwedeng ilagay sa aking center of my eyes. Liquid eyeliner, I'm using this NYX Matte Liquid Liner in black. My lashes, I'm using this MS Fashion Boutique Lashes in Y38. So, ganito yung kanya itsura. Then, ilalagay ko na siya sa aking mata and I will be right back to you guys. Pinapatuyo ko muna yung glue dun sa aking pilik mata. Magko-contour muna tayo ng face. I'm using this Detail Makeover Contour Blush and Palette. So, ganito yung kanya itsura. For my contour, I'm going to use this color. For my nose, I'm going to use this color. For the highlighting part, not the shimmery one, I'm using this white, again my favorite from Enhanced Cosmetics. Then, mag-highlight lang tayo. I'm using this Snow Cosmetics Substance blush. So, ito siya. I'm using this Sleek Makeup and Cleopatra Kiss. So, ito yung kukunin kong shade. Okay, now it's time for the lips. I'm using this Vice Ganda Cosmetics. Vice Cosmetics, this is a in the shade Pony. Ayan, Pony yung gagamitin ko today.